Hey everyone, Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, May 17th, 2018. Thank you, Abra, for giving me early access to withdraw and deposit Litecoin. You can see I tweeted a little bit ago, it's official, as part of the early access group. I can now easily deposit and withdraw Litecoin using Abra. And I actually have a screen recording going on my screen right now. You can see I just deposited a Litecoin. I've been messing around with this a little bit. I completely cleared out my Abra account for the sole purpose of doing this video demonstration. So you can see I added some Litecoin, I sent some Litecoin to Abra, and now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you how I did that. So there it is, use Litecoin. So I'm going to deposit some Litecoin, gives me my address to deposit. I can go over here in Exodus, which I have ready to go, and I can send it. So I'm sending a Litecoin to Abra right now. There it is. Now I'm going to take the Litecoin I just sent and I'm actually going to withdraw a Litecoin. So let's go over here and let's withdraw one Litecoin. So one Litecoin, let me press receive on Exodus. Let me bring up the little scanner and review and confirm withdrawal. Do you love Abra? Yes. And you just heard it just deposited right into my Exodus account. Litecoin balance back to 1. There it is. I mean, I'm pretty much done with Coinbase. I can say that. Now that I can simply send Litecoin, withdraw and deposit Litecoin on Abra, very powerful to me. The other thing I want to point out, I'm really hype about Abra. I really love what they're doing. And I think all of this is very big for Litecoin. And now that we can, and you might not have access yet, but I'm sure you will soon, to deposit and withdraw Litecoin. But think about this. Think about when Abra opens up to different asset classes, not just cryptocurrencies, but we're talking commodities and stocks on the Litecoin blockchain, utilizing the Litecoin blockchain. Imagine being able to buy exposure in Apple using Litecoin. That's the world that we're getting ready to enter, and this door is being built by Abra right now. And these are things that they're working on. It's so powerful, and this is only one really strong case for Litecoin. There are many others that we've been talking about over the last couple months, but anyway, I just really wanted to do that quick demonstration for you on the Abra app. I love the app. I love Abra. I think they're doing great things. I was founded in Saratoga, California. Bill Barheit, 2014. He's done a great job, and we have to give him props for that. He's also built a great team. Their support is phenomenal. So, just want to give a shout out today to them and their app and what they're working on. So let me know your thoughts. You might be out there somewhere in the US or globally somewhere, and you might have access to this. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? And if you don't have it yet, I'm sure you will soon. But appreciate all of you for coming by. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video, and God bless.